Okay, guys, I'm a minute early, but how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. I tried to make this stream kind of happen beforehand, which is pretty cool that you can actually do that. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the stream, etc., etc. So we're going to be continuing with the programming a $1 million app that we were doing yesterday. Just going to keep pushing, keep pushing. You guys know how it is. 17 people watching at the very beginning. That's pretty cool to see. Definitely going to start planning my live streams. Let me just put the chat on all. Should be able to see your messages, so say hello if you're in the chat. Okay, so yesterday, can everyone hear me, by the way? Yeah, you should be able to. So yesterday we were working on a few different things. Since then, I have actually worked on a few things myself as well. So things added since yesterday's stream, I added a video tutorial section, right? I added, hey, Bravo Moto, how's it going? I added an indexing helper section, so let's just have a look at what that looks like. Let's just actually go to SEO Grove instead of localhost. How's everyone feeling today? What you all working on? Hey, Andy, Al, how you doing, dude? What's everyone working on today? How you all feeling? Let's get grinding, etc., etc. Okay, so this is what I've added since yesterday. I added a new section here, tutorials and guides, which you should be able to click, and it basically just has a little section here about getting your pages indexed. It's just a quick video that I made earlier, and then you can press click here to index your pages. So you just open this little thing here, and basically this is not a good one to be showing on live stream, so let me just hop off there. Ignore that, guys. So yeah, basically what it does is you can come here and press copy and basically just try and get these indexed, right? These pages indexed. So what we can do is we can go to here, for example, finishing some automation for the day job using Claude Code, then onto my project. Nice. So Thanksgiving dinner host appreciation gifts. This is unfortunately a bit too late now because it's no longer Thanksgiving, but this would have been a really, really good collection to get indexed. Let's actually see if it got indexed. It did get indexed. Nice. So yeah, what you can do is you can come here and get your stuff indexed, and there's a little useful video to show you how to get things indexed. You can press open search console here. You can go to your search console, right? And then just put them up here to get them indexed. That's the whole point behind this new feature. The other thing that I added as well, so there are going to be more tutorials here just to, keep people up to date with how to actually use Grove to get the most out of Grove. So I have actually done quite a lot of things. I did quite a lot of things today. And then the other thing that we did was the change log, because I'm doing all of these things, but I feel like people don't really know that I'm working my ass off like every single day to make Grove better. So I added a change log where at the top here it says what's new, and people can click what's new and basically see what we've been working on. So, it's a bit more obvious that we're actually doing things to improve the SaaS, etc., etc. Okay, so what are we working on today? I actually don't know yet. I'm going to try and use AI to think of some more ideas. So I guess what we'll do is we'll open up Claude. Let's open up the desktop app actually. So let's get Claude here. And let's get to chats. No, new chat. Okay. And we'll say I just added some tutorials plus a change log to my SaaS. I want to work on things, let's put this on Opus, that will help with retention. My SaaS is SEO Grove, SEO Grove.ai. Help me think of some ideas. So my other option is to kind of work on the SEO of the website, which I think would probably be a good one to work on too. It looks like they're not really ranking that well, to be honest with you. I would have thought that Grove would have started ranking a little bit better, to be honest with you. Like it gets a decent amount of clicks, but it's really not that great. By the way, there is a link to Grove in the description of the video if people want to check it out. You can get 99. You can get the first month for $99, I think it is at the moment. It says try Grove, and then you just click pre-registration. Actually, that link needs to change because that is no longer the way to Oh yeah, I do actually need to change that link. SEO growth AI. I just need to change that link in my YouTube, guys, real quick. Sorry, give me 2 seconds. I just realized that it's still going to the pre-reg, which isn't a thing anymore. What percentage of users growth do you get from SEO versus your channel? Most of them from the channel. I won't bullshit you. I could try and bullshit you, but I'm not going to. Most of them are from the channel. The majority are from the channel, to be frank. Let me just change that real quick. Okay, beautiful. It keeps doing this fail to open page thing. I might have to just quickly look into that. Supposedly, people are saying GPT 5.1 is still better for chatting about ideas and products. Okay, that's good to know. Thank you. Refactoring to Next.js is done? Question mark. I did a lot, but I didn't finish it for sure. I don't actually. Is this it? Yeah. Can you get the project running? It's pretty much done though, Bilal. Weekly, what growth did? Email digest? Nah. Save money counter? Nah. ROI dashboard, setup completion score, benchmark comparisons. Nah. I think this one, Discord community, would be really, really good. I might have to actually set that up. I see a lot of SaaS projects using Discord. I think that might actually be the best way to do it, to be honest with you. Let's see what it came up with. This is the port to Next.js. This is phenomenally good, I have to say. Let's just sign out here. It's not perfect, but yeah, no. It's actually not. It's not even close, to be honest with you. Okay, let's just go back to this and say the homepage doesn't look like my current homepage. The content just isn't there. Why not? Can you fix it? So let's see if we can get the continuation of the Next.js porting to finish. Because that would actually. Do you think that would heavily increase the SEO, Bilal? Probably, right? Just notice Claude in chat also uses skills. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I've been using this. I keep muting guys because I need to sniffle or whatever the word is. Slowly forgetting English, I swear. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of these ideas. Maybe let's just hop on over to ChatGPT. Now I do need to remove something on my ChatGPT real quick because I have personalization turned on. How do I turn this off? I could have sworn there was a way to just turn this off, right? No. Personalization. I had this turned off though, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know how to turn this off. But I do want these custom instructions. I don't want to lose them, but yeah, let's just for now, let's just delete them, I guess. And then I'll save these in a document for later. Actually, I'll put them in my notes. Don't want to lose these because they are actually pretty useful. Okay, so let's do the same prompt that we gave to Claude, and we'll see what it comes up with. So this is going to continue, I guess, porting over. I have no personal experience about other projects than Next.js, so I can't tell if it helps with SEO. I'm pretty sure it does, but smart SEO alerts, I've done that already. Mm. A couple of things that I did yesterday. I did loads of stuff since yesterday, to be honest with you. SEO agent mode checks rankings, picks 5 weak pages, rewrites titles, meta. That could be pretty cool. Onboarding wizard that creates an SEO plan in 5 minutes. That could be cool. I think maybe like we could make like a what's it called? Like an audit system. That could be quite cool actually. I might do that. Just put the instructions into a custom GPT. Yeah, true. Let's see how that did. It's kind of getting there. It's kind of getting there. I think I might have to do that page by page, which is going to be a bit annoying, to be honest with you, but it is what it is. I think an audit system could be cool, actually. Does this even do anything? Okay. Yeah, so I think Next.js would be a good way to do it. I'm not really seeing any good AI ideas, to be honest with you. That's fair. Appreciate the honesty. I wasn't sure about how well SEO works for products versus SaaS. I think it could work a lot better. It's just I'm on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I think if you do Next.js, I am making a few projects outside of YouTube that I'm not really talking about because I want to see if I can get customers without, blasting it on YouTube, basically. This is one way that I'm doing it. Go SEO.ai. One second, guys. I just need to load my notes because it's. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Yeah. Suddenly just don't feel good. I don't know what the hell happened, but anyway, it is what it is. I'm not. I'm not like really bad or anything. Just need to also be mining, guys. Very important. Catholic Bank would be good, but I can't. Champions Guild, I'll do. Yeah, I'd rather be honest than dishonest. To be honest with you, it would be easy for me to say, "Oh, look, all my customers are from SEO. Look at how amazing this strategy is." But yeah, most people are from the channel. To be honest with you, they trust me as well to make a good tool. So, but as well, what I would say is, it's not that hard to get views on YouTube. So it's also a very, very good way to, you know, to do it. Oh, okay, kind of cooking. We're getting pretty close, actually. This is actually pretty good. It's not quite as good as that, obviously, but so actually, to be honest with you, porting this entire process over to Next.js has not been anywhere near as painful as I thought it would be. I thought this would take like months and months and months, but will be good case study, definitely. I've followed your channel for a while, but never caught a live stream before. Thanks for tuning in, Figs, for sure. Gracias. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that running. Let's move on to retention. Now, I did have a load of ideas for retention, or not even just retention, just advertising. What I really want to do is get people in. I really, really want to kind of dig deep into this. Something like this. Why is this just not getting any traffic? Right. I would really expect this to get decent amount of impressions, etc., etc. Is it because it's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? I don't know. Oh wait, let me just move myself down. It's kind of annoying. Just a little bit. I just want to be like there. I think. Go. So yeah, let's actually just do an SEO report on SEO Grow real quick. So let's do more. Sorry, page. So this, for example, why is this just not ranking? I really thought this would have done better. Really, really not a lot of impressions. So why? What's the problem here? Is it just not good enough? Wrong page. Does it just not have enough detail? It's pretty detailed. So that's not the problem. Maybe it's just really, really competitive, I guess. So something like this. Okay, so they're not actual individual pages. That's fine. Some of these do rank like fairly well, but I swear they should be doing better. Like, I guess just authority maybe. AI powered SEO for fashion retailers. Maybe we could do ads for this. JS is a big factor. JavaScript is a big factor. I really would have expected these pages to do better. These have been up for a while now. Are all these pages including your sitemap? Yeah, they are. Oh, wait, maybe not, but sitemap is only really to get indexed, right? It's not really, they're not actually, you're right. I could put them in the sitemap. But to be honest with you, I don't, hey Cameron, how's it going? I don't really consider the sitemap like a big ranking factor. It's an indexing factor, not a ranking factor. As far as I know, I might be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure that it's not a ranking factor, but again, I could be wrong. Oh, look at that. No. There's no way people are actually searching that, right? Seems like a really weird search. Are all these pages including in? Yeah, they're in. They're indexed. Yeah. Oh yeah. I would expect this to. Oh, are these ChatGPT searches? No. I thought these were gonna give me. What's it called? Yeah. There's definitely something here. These pages are good. Maybe they just need some improvement. Okay. Well, they all just say 0, so that's not great, is it? Hmm. Maybe we just need to improve these pages a little bit. Hmm. This is, it seems, where the bulk of the impressions are coming from. Slash beauty is not a great URL. I could improve the URL for sure, but just don't know if it's worth it. I'm pretty sure these are AI results, right? Internal links and page schema automate. Yeah, one of the main things I do for internal links is obviously they're in the header, so they're already internally linked. The main issue, yeah, schema could help for sure. I really thought this would do better as well, to be honest with you. I'm not really sure why this never even, it got indexed eventually, but yeah, crazy. Schema could help, yeah, true. Schema could definitely help. Maybe I should do schema. I just don't know if it's enough of a win. I just feel like the whole site is just stagnant. And, the only explanation I have for that is either authority or, what's it called? Um, platform, right? Because it's HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So honestly, I think it might just be HTML, CSS, JavaScript that's letting it down. These pages did pretty well. This one here. So what's different about this page? It's a very, very specific keyword. It's got a bit more content to it, maybe. Hmm. Let's see your ref domains. Yeah, it'll be low. It'll be very low. Extremely low. 22. We haven't done any backlinking though. I mean, we should have. We could stick some backlinking on. I mean, we are a backlinking agency, so we should probably be doing some backlinks. Could be all down to authority and age. Nothing actually wrong with the site structure. Yeah, it's true. I do know that. I'm just impatient. I wonder if we turn backlinking on, if that would help. Probably. Oh, maybe I could. Oh, that's a good idea actually. Maybe I could get a quick win here. Pretty sure I got enough likes to be a Hang on. Where are my posts on Reddit? Posts. Could I? No, not that one. Not that one. Oh yeah, this has 12. Maybe if I just sneakily do this, an example of a site I made, SEO Pro, AI powered shop by SEO. Just a little. Hopefully, no one will notice. I think this is actually a follow backlink because there are 12 upvotes. I'm not actually sure how it works, but does this work? Cheeky, cheeky. I've done LinkedIn stuff already. I do appreciate your suggestions, though. That is, I think, a follow backlink, if I'm not mistaken. Do follow, no, follow. Wait. I hate Macs. Like, what is Safari doing? I cannot read anything here. It's literally pointless even trying. I need to open this on Chrome. Also, link to the site from your GitHub if you have one. Yeah, I've done that too. Repos, but not actually my. I've done it from repositories. Yeah. Can I do it from profile too? Oh yeah, that's a good one. Cheers, mate. That's a good tip. Didn't think about that. We've also done. I did Dev 2 already. I just did Reddit, which is pretty good. That's good. That should help a little bit with the authority for sure. Use Chrome. Yeah, I know. I don't know what the hell I'm doing on Safari. Literally, I don't know why I'm on Safari. Would video on the page help at all for the pages that aren't ranking as well? Possibly, but not necessarily. It could help. Okay, so it's looking a little bit better. Oh yeah. Okay, we're getting there. This is pretty impressive that it's managed to port like most of this over, to be fair. Sorry guys, I'm quite snuffly today. When I hover the header, I can't go down and click it because it's called it disappears. Where else can I get easy backlinks? I guess the authority is probably the main thing. I might change the title real quick to, oops. Can you do a video on Claude skills for SEO? Oh, that's not a bad idea. I might do that. The problem is every time I put SEO in the title, nobody clicks the video anymore. I don't know really what happened, but back in the day, if I put SEO, like people went crazy for it, but I don't actually know what happened. This is good. The fact that it's even nearly managed to get close to porting everything to Next.js is pretty crazy. Some of the CSS looks broken on the pricing page, for example. I thought this would have taken me like literally fucking hundreds of hours to do, but it's actually ported most of the front end. Resources. Still, the header is a bit weird, but okay, some things are 404ing as well. Also, some pages are still 404ing. Header, also the header is like shifted to the right for some reason. How long have you been publishing on YouTube? Good question. Since 2000 let's actually look. YouTube.com. Should say here, I think. I think 2021, but I'm not sure. Member since, oh yeah, 2022, 2020. I think my first video was like, yeah, December 2020. That sounds right. Oh, I need to change that link actually. Wait, let's customize that. Change that link to there. Okay, publish. Do you have Screaming Frog? Good to get into the technical issues. Title tags are quite long. Title tags being long, in my opinion, doesn't matter because they just get cut off. I think people spend too much time thinking about stuff like that. To be honest, that's just my opinion, though. I know that other people have different opinions, but yeah, for me, title tags being long is not an issue. How do you recover from AI slop loop while vibe coding? Start again, potentially. Yeah, you might actually have to start again in some cases. It's probably going to be quicker than trying to fix the issue. I do know, generally speaking, that title tags being long is an issue for some people, but I just never really thought of it as an issue. I never really considered it to be an issue, to be honest. But again, I know that a lot of people do consider it to be a problem. But also these tools like Ahrefs and stuff, they need to show that they're doing something, right? So a lot of the time they pick up things that, if you spend a year optimizing titles, it's not going to make that much of a difference, in my opinion. Again, that's kind of in my opinion. I understand that other people have different opinions. Is this, for example? The title tags won't be an issue as long as the primary keyword, yeah, exactly, doesn't get cut off. That's how I think as well. We're getting pretty close. It's still not perfect, but we are getting pretty damn close. I'm actually impressed how quick this was. This might be the big thing that makes all the difference to the SEO. I don't know. Maybe it'll just completely fuck the SEO, but I think it is probably the next step for this process, to be honest with you. Now, it looks like we've lost a little bit of the design that my business partner spent a lot of time doing, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, where else could I just put some easy backlinks? Maybe I'll show you PT. Give me a list of easy places to put my site for backlink. Why are you switching to Next.js? SEO mainly. For yeah, I'm doing it for SEO reasons, pretty much exclusively. Would you recommend link shortening in SEO for any page? No. I'm trying to figure, unless it's like ridiculously long, and then yeah. I'm trying to figure out if I can expand my channel content into coding and professional work, or should I ground up a new channel for that? Let me have a look. Oh, you got 44k subs. Hell yeah, dude. I mean, you're not posting massively, so maybe just go for it on this channel. You haven't posted for a while, right? So, well, you're not really posting consistently, so maybe just go for it on that channel, dude. Hey man, you're back at it. I got 1.5 mil fishing XP sleeping last night. Nice, dude. No comment on that. 1 second, guys. I just need to blow my nose again. I'll spare you the sound of that through the microphone, wait. Moto, I would say probably do it on the channel, your current channel, just because you may as well. Honestly. Yeah, I'll just say do it on that channel. If you're posting every day and or whatever and getting views every day, then I'd have a different answer. But what fucking hell. It's been a while. I was cracking daily content. I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, go for it, dude. If you make it like broad enough, a lot of your old subscribers will probably see the video and click it, which will help you kind of reignite the channel. If that makes sense. I might just make more of these solution pages, you know. Oh, that's a good idea. So, guys, I'm gonna give you a little bit of juice. This is how I do my research. So, like, you do key SEO for and then search. SEO for LLMs, for example. SEO for ChatGPT, SEO for small businesses. These are all perfect. I'll probably do a few of these, to be honest with you. SEO for LLMs is really good. I'm definitely going to do that. See what else we can see, actually. Are you ever worried about competitors seeing how you are coding your site or learning how it works to duplicate? Loads of people have already copied me. I mean, I streamed the entire process from the very start. If you actually look at my channel, the reason that the live streams are called the way they are, if you scroll down a bit to like here, literally this first one, this first stream, I already gave away absolutely all of the juice that I used for this entire process, right? So I mean, it is what it is. If people want to copy me, they can. I'm not really worried about it. I know that what I can do is better than what they can do, so. Many people don't have the grind as our boy, though. You might try to copy the app, but you can't duplicate the man. That is kind of how I think about it, yeah. I mean, you could literally go here. I have like this is what it originally looked like before before my business partner came along and made it look better, all that stuff. So like it's possible for anyone to copy me. It's literally, the code is basically available to anyone that would want to copy me. So yeah, it's fine. It is what it is. If people don't have the imagination to do things themselves and they want to copy me, that's fine. I've never really been that bothered about people copying me. Yeah, it's all about the grind, and also the thing that I have that other people don't have is prompting as well. Like I feel like my knowledge of SEO and the way to like make kind of the AI do the specific type of SEO that I want is different to, the person next to me, right? Exactly. Dupes are usually cheap and weak. The dedication to it is right is a whole different ballgame. Yeah, I've really put a lot of effort into making Grove what it is today. So, and what it is today, by the way, guys, is if you go and look at, I don't think he'll mind me showing this, but if he does, then I apologize in advance. But if you look at geminisound.com, this was a guy that contacted us 2 years ago to do work for them. Oh, this was bugged earlier. What the hell? But yeah, you can see they installed Grove around here, and it's been slowly getting them back to where they were originally. I don't know what the hell happened earlier, though. This was not the way it looked. So we've been adding collections, etc., to Gemini Sound for a while now. We've been doing all their translations and everything, and yeah, they've started to kind of recover the traffic that they lost, and they're really happy as far as I know. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff like this. There's a lot of examples of this. Follow through. If people copy but don't work off an original idea, they'll never have vision. Clones aren't worth the OG's product. Experience can't be scraped. Yeah, true. I have one for high finance, and there is only one other, and I didn't want to give them any ideas. I would like to stream it as I'm obsessed, but too concerned about my backend secret source. Lol. I don't know, dude. If you stream it, you're more likely to get customers, right? So maybe just stream it. At the end of the day, if you can't get 10 customers, then there's no point having back-end source, right? That's the way I view it anyway. But also if you don't want to stream it, don't stream it. But you seem like you do want to stream it, so I would just go for it personally. Oops. See. I hate this game sometimes. I'm almost 90 mining, which is absolutely absurd. I did not expect to be getting this much mining, but get the secret source done and hidden, then stream the rest. Yeah, true. Okay, so SEO for blog posts, SEO for beginners, SEO course, best SEO for WordPress, best SEO for Shopify, best SEO plugin for WordPress, SEO tutorials for beginners. A lot of these are pages we can make for sure. I do need to keep my eye on this because I'm trying to. Ah, yeah, there it is. You know what? Maybe it's the fact that it actually has the same homepage stuff. Everything is online, build in public. You get clients in build channel. Yeah, for sure. You may as well just do it online, right? I think I just realized why these pages aren't ranking. It's because they're just the same layout as this, which is not great. This is still quite a big task, to be honest with you. There's still loads and loads to do, but I think for now what we'll do is we'll create a new page. Maybe I'll add JSON schema. Hmm. Any suggestions for optimization for security vibe coding? Lots of vibe coded apps are getting hacked due to lack of knowledge in that sphere. I'm the wrong person to ask. The only advice I can give you is to use Convex for your backend. That's probably the only advice I can give you, to be fair. There's so much going on there. It's just, yeah. I want to make a new SEO page, but currently my landing pages aren't ranking that well. I want you to make this page for me. Do a lot of research into the topic. Show how Grow does is a solution. But also change the structure of the page somehow to increase SEO. Maybe by adding JSON schema, yeah, adding better meta titles, everything. Please just cook something up for me. Use a subpage and give the subpage and everything it needs. Make sure it adds the content to the header and footer. Don't let me down. And then these are the keywords. These are the keywords. Okay. So at the end of the day, one of the best things you can always do for your sites, right, is just adding new content. So that's what we're going to do now. And then while that's doing that, let's see if we can find any other places to post. Reddit done, Quora. Can't really fuck with Quora. Hacker News. Yeah. How do I post to this? Thanks, fellas. Is Ahrefs still worth paying for? Probably not. Stop taking up all the interface names other people want to go to. Lol. Ahrefs is probably not worth paying for. You can just I found something pretty good the other day, which is SERP API. This is really, really good. For example, then there's the data for SEO, MCP, and then if you didn't know, you can also do like backlink checker Ahrefs, and you can actually do a lot of the checking for free. So like HTTPS, SEO growth.ai, check backlinks. The only reason we pay for it, obviously, we're an SEO agency, so but you can actually check your backlinks. You can do, there's quite a lot of free tools on Ahrefs. To be honest with you, where is it? Where are their tools? They've got a load of free tools anyway. I don't know how to find them, but Product Hunt is another really good way to get your product out there. Yeah, I know, but a lot of people say it's bullshit. To be honest with you. Let's see if this gets posted. Okay. Sure. I mean, there we go. Can I get a recap of what we're trying to do today? I missed the beginning. I'm working on a few different things. Currently, I am trying to get SEO growth to rank better on Google because that's obviously a good way to get people into the business. I'm also porting the front end over to Next.js at the same time because I think it will help the SEO. I'm also playing RuneScape and I'm just posting SEO growth across the web basically. Do you do SEO consulting? It's quite expensive. It would be cheaper to join the school and then just ask me questions. To be honest with you, I'm going to be really honest here. SEO consulting, because we're a business, it costs a lot. But if you just join the school community, you can message me anytime. And then every Thursday, we have a coffee hour where you can ask me unlimited questions. If you don't want to join the school, if you just have a quick question, feel free to just put a message in the chat and I'll answer it for free. I was just looking at SERP API the other day. It's really good. That's actually how I built this new feature, which is proving to be a bit of a hit, to be honest with you. I won't actually do it right now, but on Grove, there's a really, really nice new feature. Oh, Trustpilot could be good. Twitter X, Medium. I think I already did Medium. I already did LinkedIn. Let's just do maybe write me a LinkedIn post that can rank on Google about, I don't know, best SEO, best AI SEO tools for Shopify and WooCommerce automation in 26. Include links to growth. I'm really just pushing things out right now. I'm a kind of a solo one man, one band, so God. I'm just getting emails right now. Like I hate emails. I hate Koala Writer. There are a couple of tools that just copy me. I'm not saying Koala Writer is one of them, but I get like I do get copied. By the way, this is not like I'm not saying this is how you do anything. I'm just getting shit out, guys, honestly. I'm just getting shit out there, honestly. I reckon we're pretty close to breaking through in terms of what is it? In terms of SEO. If for SEO instead of web app, try Astro has minimal GS out of the box and fast for landing SEO pages. Yeah, it's too late. I'm not going back on. I'm not doing another port. I already picked Next.js. Thanks though. I already ported it to Next.js, so it'd be crazy to restart porting now. Sure, why not? Let's do it. Wait, so what does it want me to do? Oh, okay. There's yeah, there's posts and then there's so this is a post. Why is this so weirdly like formatted? And then there was articles as well. I'll do an article too. Increase my authority, guys, in case anyone's wondering what I'm doing. I'm just, yeah, casually increasing the authority of Grove. I reckon there's other ways to do this as well. And then what do we do? Did that do anything? No. And then the other one was LinkedIn, and then you do like an article, right? That's a thing. I seem to remember. Write an article. There we go. Second use. Is paid P-News why still a thing or not anymore? I wouldn't personally do that, but apparently, which I heard recently, it does actually help with um, it does apparently help with getting mentioned in LLMs as long as you're careful with the keywords that you select, because obviously they're trusted resources, a lot of them. So I probably would try that actually, to be fair. I might make a YouTube video called that actually as well. It should be an actual link. Or not? What the hell was that? What? Wait, what am I missing out? Missing? Huh? Why is that not working? New website for marketing territories with your system. What do you think about phone number and addresses? How do you get new ones? No, probably use your old ones. And you can do email forwarding with Cloudflare, which I only found out yesterday, which is really cool actually. By the way, your video for the front end skill for Claude was a game changer. Hell yeah, dude. People liked that video as well. It did really, really well actually. Yeah, I'll probably do another video on skills pretty soon, to be fair. Can I edit article? Why was this not working? The other thing I did, guys, I do actually have like a Grove channel as well, which I've been working on. So this is another way to get customers. If I go on Shopify Surfers, the whole point of this channel is it's like the best email. It's like the best thing on Cloudflare right now, and reason why I use it for my domains, it has inbound email, also has outbound. Yeah, it's incredible. I didn't know what you meant, Kenrick, the other day when you said that, but I looked into it, and now if I get an email to hello@galwayseo.ai, it arrives immediately at incomestreamservice.com. So yeah, guys, this is another thing I'm doing as well, is I have a channel for like Shopify tutorials, and then inside those videos, I have links to Grove, obviously, Jesus. I was never a good video maker, guys. I'm like the worst video maker. It's so funny. Someone was like, "Can you make me a video?" the other day? I was like, "I can't make videos." They're like, "You're a fucking YouTuber. What do you mean?" I was just like, "Yeah, no, I can't. I can't make videos for you, dude. Sorry." If you can't laugh at yourselves, guys, there's no point. You've got to be able to laugh at yourselves. Oh, 1 of 10. Nice. That's really cool, actually, to see. I didn't think that would get 1 of 10, honestly, because that other one did so well the other day. But Sleepy Hamish, yeah, exactly. Where else can we post? Where else can we post? Where else can we post? What is this? I hate stuff like this. I don't know. Honestly, I swear LinkedIn is the worst place. I swear it's just people who don't have jobs talking to other people who don't have jobs. I shouldn't have said that. I told myself I wouldn't say that. But that's how I think about it, honestly. For me, it's like people who don't have jobs. It this doesn't matter. The HTML matters. Is there spaces between the HTML? That's the only thing that matters. Double check. Are there no images? I really hate LinkedIn, guys. I despise LinkedIn with a passion. I think it's the worst place on earth. I have absolutely no interest in LinkedIn whatsoever. Why do I still have the little guy from 3 years ago? Crazy. Do I have a link here to Grove? Nope, of course I don't. LinkedIn is for people with useless jobs, yeah. Everyone's a CEO, right? Might have to put that instead, yeah. People agree with me, actually. Where they have time to get angry about pointless things for engagement. Yeah, exactly. People agree with me, Susanna. Like, LinkedIn is the worst place on earth. You have to then fine. It's the worst place on earth. It's a load of CEOs who, the CEOs of nothing. Okay, it's good, good, good. So did Claude Code do all that? Yeah. In one? And there are 48 of them. No. Yeah. Okay, but it did a decent job. Okay, good. Okay, this is really good, guys. I think I might post this. Can you add JSON to the rest of my pages, please? The ones in my header. Yeah. Hi there, I am new to the Vibe Coding. What is your recommendation of tool to use to start working on a project for WordPress website for more complicated plugin scenarios? 100% use Claude Code connected to WordPress via Docker. What you can do is you can just say, start me a Docker, uh, whatever, what is it, container with WordPress running so I can do plugin development and then just go from there. Sorry about flicking backwards and forwards, guys. Um, they all have JSON. Okay. Okay, never mind. They already all have JSON. Can you add all my pages to the sitemap as some seem to be missing? It's a Docker image, whatever it's called. Hey Joe, by the way, how you doing, dude? Did you see my reply to you on the school community? Thanks for the reply. And is there any cost of using Claude locally? Yeah, there's a big cost. You can get away with the 1999 one. You could probably get away with the 1999 plan. Anyway, Docker image container, whatever, it's the same in my head anyway. I don't really know what the difference is. I'm a noob. Okay, what else do we have? AI SEO is the latest one, right? Is that correct? Yeah. I know, this is SEO for AI. So what's AI SEO? Doesn't exist. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let's see how this did. For the service website generator E5C sites, what indexing tools do you use? Or do you always use Google? Yeah, I just use Google. I see I heard about other places that you can pay a smaller amount monthly that includes many AIs for a low price. Any idea about that? I think they're all bullshit. I don't actually know for a fact, but I think they're all bullshit. Like, you mean like Trey and stuff like that, right? I think they're all bullshit, but I'm not sure. I don't know enough about it, honestly. I can't just say they're bullshit, actually. I don't actually know, but it's really hard for me to say because I haven't looked into it, basically. Okay. What is this? Store type subscription box. I'm pretty sure this doesn't exist. Yeah, wait. Yes, I did see that. Thank you so much, man. Greatly appreciate it. Sorry I didn't respond. Busy with holidays and all. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving for yesterday, by the way. What are these store types? It's kind of making a mess right now. I don't really know what the fuck's going on. What is this? Unless did it just make those? No. Do not push directly to main ever, guys. He says while pushing directly to main. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. But, you know, whatever. I didn't mean to press this. Okay, we're getting actually pretty close to having a complete Next.js version of the website. Oh, is that why? Am I on the wrong local host? Probably, actually. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm on the wrong local host. That's why. Interesting. Wait, wait. So do these exist? Did it make these? It's pretty cool if it did. Yeah, it did. Okay. Random as fuck, but fair enough. Okay. Good. We're getting making good progress here, actually. Um, I just added a new page called AI SEO. I think is it AI SEO? AI SEO. No. I've just been using AI Studio with repo mix, a bit slow and somewhat manual, but it's free. Nice. Thanks for that tip. What was the one I just added? Oh, SEO for AI. There we go. I think what I'll do is I'm gonna like follow this process a little bit and make sure that it's not that it's actually worth me moving to Next.js, because maybe these few changes that we made today will actually make all the difference. I just need to be careful changing, obviously, because it will affect the. Actually, it probably won't. Hmm. I'm tempted to just move it over, you know. Like I said, we've lost a little bit of we'll lose a little bit of traffic potentially, but I mean we're not really getting any traffic anyway, so sorry, SEO traffic I should say. The other thing I wanted to do was to make Grove work for everyone, but I mean that's obviously quite complicated. Why are we suddenly spending so much on OpenAI? Oh, what the fuck? That's a lot. $10, $16, $12. Where is that coming from? Why would we suddenly be spending that much on AI? No, it's Cloud. That's Claude, right? You're using Claude.
No, was using, yeah.
Yeah. No. It's ChatGPT. It's ChatGPT. It's ChatGPT. It's not. It's not Claude. I don't know where these costs are coming from. I mean, it's not. It's not loads, but what would have happened 5 hours ago that would have made ChatGPT be used that much?
Only maybe.
So that's weird, actually. Okay, so SEO Grove.ai / SEO for AI. Oh yeah, it's finished. Let's see if we can get this index then. Search console. Start now. SEO Grove. Test live URL. Go, request indexing. And then we'll update the sitemap as well. If you reping the sitemap, it should actually pick up the latest changes as well. That might help with indexing a little bit. Perfect. Submit. There we go. Discover pages 40. Beautiful. Can you wait? Let's do a. So now let's say. What's it called? Compact. One second, guys. Just gotta log into my email. I'd rather not show that. Okay. I don't know why you need to move to Next.js. The way Next.js could also be done in pretty much any framework. Yeah, I mean, I'm not necessarily moving over to Next.js. I'm gonna see if this makes a difference. This looks really busy. It's kind of a lot going on. It was more of just a test that we did yesterday, Kenrick, to be honest with you. Or the day before, I can't remember. I was just kind of curious if it was possible. I'm not necessarily moving it over to Next.js. Okay, let's go back to keyword tool and do SEO for SEO for restaurants. SEO for ChatGPT, small business. Maybe let's just do that one. I bet that's not that competitive actually. Oh, what am I talking about? Of course it's gonna be competitive. How many views does this have? Would this be worth me making? Not really. SEMrush, yeah, this is super competitive. Why did I think that wouldn't be competitive? What the hell am I talking about? Of course it's going to be competitive. SEO after coffee, what? You need something like post logs to track how many keys are being used so you can introspect when it's being used, how it's being used. Otherwise, you're going to be blind when these bursts start. I don't even know what post log is. It's a Google Analytics. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I should probably jump into that. Rowan was talking about analytics all of last night, so yeah, I'm just yeah, true. Kind of just thinking like, what else can we add to the website? That's always a good place to start. I feel like people aren't actually searching that. Even ranking this keyword. Probably not. Oh, yeah. What if part of the problem is all of these pages are the same? I feel like that might be part of the problem, you know? Well, I keep saying problem, though. It's not necessarily a problem. It takes a long time to start to grow, right? I would have liked more impressions, though, by now. Why does this still say John on the waitlist? It's Google Analytics on the surface, but it has analytics for AI usage. Okay. Just think about it as a general analytics platform. Yeah, I already had that in my head. Um, some other ideas I've had is like creating a directory for AI tools and then obviously putting Grove as #1 for everything. Yeah, just having secondary websites is a lot of stuff that we do for people as well. Like we build a lot of secondary websites for people. Email outreach, obviously, is a big one. Possibly making each of these a little bit more unique would help as well, because I think they're using the same like salute. That's the same. What's it called? Like the same. They're basically the same page in Google's eyes, I think. I think all of these are basically the exact same. Yeah, they are. Pretty sure this is two duplicate, right? Pretty sure. That's something else I'd like to change. Let's see if this is indexed already. I would expect this to be indexed already on a Next.js website, so this is kind of why I'm thinking about moving over to Next.js. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay, that was very, very quick indexing. I'm supposed to be making a video today at some point, but yeah. Did anyone watch the Lord of the Rings Amazon thing? Because I've been watching some clips of it on YouTube Shorts, and oh my god, it looks fucking terrible. It looks awful. By the way, I am someone who has read the Silmarillion, so that might be why, but honestly, the Silmarillion is amazing. And the Amazon series is fucking terrible, it looks like. But you can also have important things implemented to your project as well. It's just HTML at the end of the day. Doesn't matter what framework you use. Yeah, Next.js might have bad defaults, which is fine if that's what you want. Possibly. I don't know the answer for sure. Yeah, it's bad. It really is bad. What is it? Amazon Lord of the Rings series. It looks so shit. Why did they not just make the Silmarillion? The Silmarillion is like the best story ever. Has anyone read the Silmarillion, by the way? Like, the Silmarillion is so good. Like, I saw, like, some orc who was, like, an elf, like, half elf, half orc. Like, what the fuck is that? That doesn't exist. Hey, Sos Moss, how you doing? I literally, I don't even know what I was looking at when it's like this guy turns into, like, an orc or some shit. Like, what? There's not a single story about an elf becoming an orc except being forcibly changed into a full-blown orc by Sauron or by Morgoth, I should say. In the entire, like, I've read all of the Silmarillion, or I've listened to all of the Silmarillion probably about 25 times. Better or worse than Game of Thrones finale. Yeah, that really let me down as well. As soon as I saw that the final series of Game of Thrones was 6 episodes, I just wanted to cry, honestly. Guys, the Silmarillion, there is a fantastic audiobook of the Silmarillion. The Silmarillion audiobook. This, it's so good. Or this, sorry. Either this or this. I think it's this one, right? I don't know if this is like copyright friendly though, so I'm probably gonna go off it, but this one here, oh my god, it's so good. It's so good, guys. You'll enjoy it so much, I promise you. It's literally one of the best things I've ever listened to in my entire life. It's so good. It takes like 15 times to kind of get what's going on, but another thing you can do is you can watch the videos because as far as I know, this guy actually shows like yeah, he does. It's like actual clips of what's going on and stuff like that because otherwise if you just listen to it without that, it's hella fucking difficult to understand in my opinion. I had to listen to it like 10 times just to understand what like which elf is which and shit like that. But it was worth it in the end. It's so good, guys. I don't know if anyone's listened to the Silmarillion, but holy shit, is it good? Sub agents have completely changed my life, honestly. I don't know what I would have done without sub-agents. Yeah, the Game of Thrones finale was also trash. It just seemed like they just wanted to leave or something. I don't know. I didn't read too much about what happened, but yeah, not great. No spoilers in the chat, by the way, but yeah, Jesus. By the way, I'm someone who spoils things a lot for people, so just be warned of that. Keep watching at your own risk. I like the new sub-agent UI. Yeah, same actually. Yeah, same. I just love sub-agents. They honestly, my fiance is over here writing 48 articles at the same time while playing video games. Like it's crazy. Oh, I wonder if SERP API has trending information. Trend. Yep. Where's Playground? I need Playground right now. Okay, wait. Trends API. Trending Now API. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, I like it. I like it. I have an idea for this, guys, by the way. What does that say? Beats. I can't zoom in. I have some ideas for this. Why is that ranking or trending? What's the website you're building about? It's a Shopify and WooCommerce automation platform. Fuck is this UI? Trending now, just US is not very useful though. News API. So yeah, my idea here is to like, can we get like useful trends? Okay, let's see what I came out with. So free Shopify SEO audit tool. Yeah, yeah. This is probably the one, right? I can make a quick audit tool that uses the SERP API. Does this have backlinks? No. This is more like a Google thing, right? So I would need, probably I would need data for SEO for this. I do like some of these ideas. Yeah, but how would it do a free SEO audit? I would want to make something that was genuinely useful, right? Not just some crap. Without Ahrefs, it's the only real answer is data for SEO as far as I know. unless they connected their search console. Oh. Would you want that though? Would someone want to connect their? Probably not, right? Oops. I do like these ideas though. Some of these are really, really good ideas. How does it know what's got good volume though? Free Shopify SEO audit. But how would it do the audit? I want to give people genuinely useful, whatever. I don't want to just be bullshit. So these are more. This is all for more keywords and stuff, right? Looks like. Yeah. The only way to really build this would be using data for SEO, which I don't really want to do. It's kind of annoying. 1 second. Shopify SEO audit tool. How could we make a Shopify SEO audit tool? Give me a few ideas. I don't want to use third-party APIs if possible. Yeah, requires GCS, exactly. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Wait, so we do that, right? Let's do this, plus let's also have a check of their sitemap, which is always at /sitemap.xml for a Shopify site. This checks if they A, have other languages, B, other languages, B, how many collections they have, and then it runs. Oops, that's a really unfortunate typing error. And then it runs it through an AI as well and gives them suggestions, maybe through our actual AI system for some keyword suggestions, etc. Ultra link, get building, grow. Put it at free Shopify SEO audit and do all the SEO like you did for the other page. Okay, off you go. Okay, let's see if we can build this real quick. God damn, that video I uploaded yesterday is doing extremely well. Let's see what happens if we put Opus 4.5 at the beginning of the thing. Okay, so let's see how this works. Oh, what is this? Wait, analyze my stuff already. I have ways to get sitemap and shit, etc. The content generator, the agents to give them real suggestions. Okay, so that's going to start running. SEO is clearly the best way to get clients. Obviously, there's the channel as well, but Opus is insane, man. Managed to finish my web yesterday. Yeah, Opus is completely crazy. I was waiting for Opus to do a lot of the things that I've been working on recently, for sure. Maybe I should just blog as well, like a little bit. Is this index? There's no way this is indexed, right? You're joking. That's indexed, but my product SEO writer is not. Like, what? Why is Google so dumb sometimes? See a checklist. What is it? Missing alt tags, etc. And suggestions. I make it a downloadable PDF once they give their email and add them to the database as audit users. Okay, what other bait can we use? Bait's always good. Is this indexed? Yeah. Why are there two? Wait. Oh my god, what is agency? Wait. Oh my. Do I have duplicates for everything? Wait. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck, man? I have duplicates for absolutely every single page on my website. And that's probably what's holding it back. Hey, Kennedy. I'll fix that too. Where's my notes? Remove the agency dot whatever duplicates. Oh, that's so annoying. Didn't even know that was a thing. Crazy. So that means absolutely every single page is duplicate. This is probably what's holding the fucking site back. So if I do site agency dot SEO grow dot AI, yeah, that's really shit. That's not too bad actually. There's only 4 index, but I mean that's still duplicate content across the site, which needs fixing right now. I'll fix that right now. Well, not right now. After this. I didn't know. I don't know why it's done that. Honestly, I have no idea why it's done that. Very, very, very annoying, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm doing the insane thing, guys. Forgive me. Forgive me. Oh my god, that's loud. What the fuck? Jesus, that was loud. Oh my god. I need to turn that right down. Jesus. Did you guys hear that through my headphones? Probably. That was that loud, literally. See, look at this. This is what I love about Opus. 1.2K lines, no hesitation. And I bet it's all correct as well. It's actually getting stupidly good. Why does it need beautiful soup though? Not sure about that. You're right. You okay? Welcome. Okay. 16. What do you think about this AI design? Which one? You might not be, if you're posting a link, you won't be able to, just so you know. Okay, so that's creating the landing page and the routes, and then I need to remove the duplicate content, and then I think I might have massively improved the SEO of the site without moving over to Next.js, which is kind of what I wanted to do. Oops. Oh, it's Ollie upstairs, yeah. Oh, she kind of. She's got headphones on. Man, honestly, Opus is so good, guys. I keep telling people this. It's so damn good. Can I share it somehow or not possible? You can email me incomestreamsurfer@gmail.com. I don't know if I'll open it now, but if I do, it'll be on my phone. Incomestreamsurfer@gmail.com. Not surfers, surfer. God, how is that video from yesterday growing? That normally doesn't happen anymore. I should grab this cat. Come here, you. Say hello to everyone. Oh, I gotcha. Come here, you. Say hello. Say hello to everyone. Oh, she's so sweet. Look at her. Meow meow. No. Go on. You're free. You're free to go.
Wow.
This cheers.
Hamish.
Okej, ma non mu però, dai. No. Ok. Yeah, you can share the link with me. Incomestreamsurfer@gmail.com. $2,000 lines of code, yep. Hmm. Sent. I've been trying a lot of design prompting techniques and I think it turned out pretty well. Let's have a look. They probably will have gone to spam, I'm guessing. Oh no, they didn't. Oh yeah, this looks nice, yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I like it. Candy.
No. No.
Yeah, it looks nice. Does SEO grow built on WordPress? No, it's built on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Flask. It's built on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, yeah. Do you think is going to build apps as well? I can build apps. You can also just use PWA, which is much easier. There we go. Oh, yeah, that was a big difference. Candy. Oh, look at that. It does actually work. Però non si dice così. You know, playwright running for debugging. Normally I do. I think I do have it, but you can also just do things yourself as well.
E voi? Per questo?
Oh, nice.
Per questo?
Wow.
Sì, è bene anche. Vieni. 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 Sta qua, sta qua. Vieni.
Nice. I can't believe it just built that quickly. What the fuck? Okay, so that probably shouldn't cost us much money. So it's fine to release this to the world basically. Opus 4.5 is pretty crazy. I don't think it's properly represented in benchmarks. You mean it's underrepresented? Probably right. That Stacker Jacks. When you're on a diet, they're so addictive.
Scegli.
I can't believe how good this thing codes. It's actually insane. Like, I hate to use the word insane, but well, I don't hate to use it. Let's be honest. I use it every single day of my life, but I just cannot get over it. It just keeps one-shotting everything I give it. Okay, so let's try this again. How set up an automated email using our current email templates to email the people that use this free. How much did it cost you to make it? Not much at all. To email the well, I mean, I've done so much coding now with Opus that I'm not even sure anymore, but it's hard to say. Use this free template to with an offer using this discount code. With an offer using this discount code to sign up. It should take them to the /sign up page. And tell them they can use the this should happen to 24 hours after they sign up for the free audit. Look at that, bang. Okay. Wait. If it's not free, how much do you spend on Claude? $3,000 a month. But I have 6 people using it, so it's not just me. You need to add it to the database, the dev and the prod. Dev begins with S, prod begins with M. I have to run it all over again. Sorry guys, I'm starving. I need to cook. Hey, Spiritual Bohemian, how you doing? It's actually not a mistake, Eternal. It's it didn't add the well, I didn't tell it to add the things to the database. That's all it is. It's not really a big issue. I already know what the problem is. It basically just needs to add things to the database. But yeah, I probably did jinx it a little bit. Candy, my cat is so funny, guys, honestly. I shouldn't have to refresh this. Once they're added to the database, it should just work, so I'm not actually sure what's going on here. just gonna try something, guys. I'm just gonna add the word new. Or breaking. Let's just try it. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't think you would have to restart the Docker for it to work. That's weird. I wouldn't have expected that, to be fair. That is a bit weird. There's some artifacts on your camera. It puts a big black hole in your nose. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I can't. Oh, yeah. That's it. That's annoying. Thanks. By the way, what stack is best? Being confused from your videos. It really depends on what you're trying to do. More recently, I've been using Convex, which okay, it doesn't work. Convex is great, but yeah, it really depends on what you're trying to do. If you tell me what you're trying to do, it will help me answer your question because your stack depends on what you're trying to do, right? If you're trying to build a simple service-based website that you want to sell, then WordPress is the best. If you're trying to, it all depends on what you're trying to actually do. That's the most honest answer I can give you. It depends on what you're trying to do. What should I cook tonight, guys? There we go, and then Hamish, and put on stream at gmail.com. It still says this, why? Maybe it's because I already have that email in the system. No. Convex is the best for Next.js plus Pi. I tried it since your last videos. It's amazing. Works great, especially for programmatic SEO. Yo, bro, I'm based in Europe and I'm trying to get the GDPR and SEO right off the bat. What would you recommend? Next.js, for sure. That was the whole reason I actually picked up Convex. Convex is better than Claude. I don't know about that. Then they're not even the same thing. Hey Thorsten, how you doing? What do you mean Convex is better than Claude? Oh, you mean Codex? I wasn't talking about Codex. I was talking about. Oh, you're asking coding stack. Coding stack is Claude for sure. Sorry, I thought you meant like building stack. Still getting 500 error for some reason. It says failed to generate PDF. Let's see if there's browser logs. There are browser logs. Cook some takeout. We already went out last night. I'd rather cook. Pasta and beans takes way too long, and risotto also. They're both lunch in Italy. If I cooked pasta and beans now, my fiance would be like, what are you doing? Why are you cooking? But I mean, like my SaaS compliant with GDPR, what would you recommend to do? Yeah, you just use Next.js and then there's Node. What is it? NPM GDPR or some shit. Node GDPR. Or Next.js. There's some, I can't remember what it is exactly, but you can just use Next.js, right? Oh, I can't. Oh, right. I understand now. Report lab wasn't installed. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. Look at my contributions on GitHub, by the way. Fucking insane. 17 yesterday. Crazy amount of work. Cook some chicken parm. I don't even know what chicken parm is. Yeah, no, my fiance would leave me if I booked this. If I cooked this. This is some Italian American shit right here. Oh, yeah. Parmigiana. Yeah, my fiance would never eat this. I could not eat this. I would eat it. Yeah, no, I wouldn't be able to. It's not allowed. It's not an official. This is some Italian American stuff, right? I don't think you guys realize how the Italian brain works. Yeah, I would not be allowed to cook that. Chicken parmigiana. Lo faccio un parmigiana a pollo. I didn't even need to ask, guys. I already knew the answer. Non ti piace? La chicken a parmigiano, no? No, no, no. I'm not allowed to, guys. It's some Italian American stuff. It's not real Italian, unfortunately. So it's a big no-no. It is Italian American. It's chicken parmigiano. Chicken parmigiano is a dish that consists of breaded chicken covered in tomato and mozzarella, parmesano, provolone, ham and bacon, possibly inside. No?
Wow.
Lascialo. No, it's a no from Susanna, guys. I could have told you that already. I already knew she'd say no. I mean, I would eat it. That looks amazing to me, but I'm not Osaki, so you know I'm British.
Really, you're British.
Yeah.
If I look at that, it would just cancel my citizenship on.
Pizza with pineapple and ketchup, someone just said. We do that.
No.
You're gonna cook us a nice pineapple pizza, no?
If you want, I can cook an amazing parmigiana di melanzane.
No.
No,
Mangiamo domani.
we're not that. Maybe on Sunday. Sunday we're making spaghetti with
Ah, we
corn.
should stream that. Guys, on Sunday we're making this. I really want to stream it, but what is it? Pasta alla vongole. Vongole, right? Yeah, we're cooking this on Sunday, guys. Make a carbonara then. They don't eat pasta for dinner, so it's a dinner, so.
No.
Sunday, 2 p.m. we'll probably be eating this. If people want me to stream, then tell me now, because I would love to stream this. I think it'll be really fun, but we've never actually done it. But yeah, spaghetti alla vongole. Asha. This is spaghetti with clams. It's so good. So, so good. Yeah, I love carbonara too. I love carbonara. Amor, they'll demonetize me if you're singing. I think, anyway. I don't know how it works, but I'd rather you just don't sing. My laptop's kind of slowing down a little bit, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but
Do I need to make all the purchase articles today?
nah. Just do as many as you can.
Now 16.
I did make a lot of spaghetti and gambas recently. Yeah, spaghetti and alla gambas or with prawns is good. For sure. What is going on? My Mac is like, please stop. Give me a break. Turn me off for 20 minutes, please. I might need to close some stuff. Thanks for the help, bro. My SaaS, I need on-demand and concurrent scraping. So, for example, if two people need something, and it needs to scrape simultaneously for a database, what would you recommend? Just tell Claude that. You lie, you just don't want your fiance to sing. I actually don't know how copyright works genuinely. Your accent is Southern Calabrese. I'm from the UK. I'm from England. I just that guy actually thought I was Italian. Oh, yeah, unless you mean my fiance, in which case we're from Naples. She's from Naples. I'm from England. I'm from Yorkshire. Time to upgrade to M5 Pro next year. Hell yeah, dude. That's definitely on my to-do list for sure. Why is that guy just killing goblins?
But tomorrow we are going to the fair, okay?
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah. What time?
10.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I would love an M5 actually. I really want it. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Why do they do this to me? I just bought an M4 for fuck's sake. Absolute bastards, man. This isn't gonna work. Oh. Fuck.
We're going to content very quickly in December,
Nice.
so I will have to work in Christmas. Right?
I think one of our clients is getting negatively reviewed on Google. Negative review attack. Crazy work. M4 Pro. Not actually sure where. It's just about this Mac. What is this? It's a Apple M4 Pro. Yeah, and it's struggling right now. Crazy. I mean, if I look at my Docker though, just look at this. This is probably why, right? Jesus. That's probably why. Oh yeah, container CPU usage. I need to sort that shit out. Ask Gemini sometimes give you a good hint if you use Claude. This should be done in a minute. It's not. I don't think there's actually an error. I think it just needs to finish what it was doing. There we go. Yeah, this should work. Close it all in activity monitor. I'll do that after I finish streaming for sure. It's really struggling right now. Yeah, it's a lot of yeah. Oh yeah. I want an M1 Pro. Nice. Are you surprised that I'm managing to almost crash an M4 Pro? I mean, I am a noob, so
I'm always taking my to do it.
yeah, she needs to go to the right now. We'll take her. We'll take her. You know we will.
They're not artists, I think.
I think she's just scratching. I don't think it's dermatitis necessarily. She went upside down.
A baby.
Okay, let's see if this works finally. Dunga dunga dung. Falador. West Falador mine is over here. Okay, Hamish. Back off. I'm too scared to even look if it's worked. Please work. Nice. That actually downloaded the PDF as well, looks like. Double nice. Oh, that's pretty cool, guys. That is pretty cool. Nice. Let's see if we can get this on the old, whatchamacallit, Google. You know, another thing as well. Are we on Bing? Bing Webmaster. Let's just do that and make sure it includes report lab if needed. Well, not if needed, of course it's needed. Sorry for the noob question. I'm following your lessons and starting to use Claude, but I got limited really fast. Is there a possibility to use Claude with that plan for complex tasks? Not really. Maybe if you use Haiku, but only if you use Haiku, I'd say. If you're going to use Opus 4.5, it's just not gonna happen. Let's just go to SEO Grow. Yeah, nah, it's just nothing here. Kind of surprised though, honestly. I thought it would do better, especially on Bing. I thought it would smash Bing. But yeah, it just really hasn't. Kind of disappointing, but okay. So we'll get this on the old Googles, and then we'll, I think, finish there for now. No, jumped by SEO Auditing 404. Okay, beautiful. So that works. That's a new thing as well for more traffic. We've done a pretty good job today of just pushing updates basically to the SEO. I've been mainly doing SEO, to be honest with you. I really do believe that there's a lot more potential in the SEO of this business. I also think PPC on Bing might be a good one. I've never really read about it though. There's always the first comment is always yes, 100%. Yeah. This is always the first comment. It's always the same shit. Okay, interesting. I really, really want to just do this. Hey bro, watched your SEO ChatGPT back in the days. How you doing? I'm doing good. How you doing? Dark Fate. Hmm. I'm kind of tempted to try Bing marketing, honestly. I don't know if I'll do it in this live stream, but let's get this final page indexed and then we will hop off most likely. There we go. It's live. And we go Search Console. So we get this indexed. Okay, request indexing, that's done. Guys, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the stream there. That was a good 2-hour stream, just a quick one. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've got any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment on any of my videos and I'll try to get back to you. And if not, just join the live stream tomorrow. I'm sure I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to try and live stream around the same time every single day. Yeah, the fair's at 9 o'clock in the morning. What do you mean? Yeah, we're not going to be there from 9 until 4, are we? Like, you crazy. There'll be a tiny little Christmas fair, love. We'll be there for 2 hours. Nah, you can't take Saturday off. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will be back tomorrow. And yeah,